This video is about garden fencing. By saying
Hi,
hi to
Madhu.
my Aji,
Hi, Madhu. Hi, Madhu.
we are heading towards our backyard garden. See, already the work is going on where they are digging the ground for the poles and the fencing. As you can see in this video, fencing has been started. Okay, we have chosen a wire fencing because we can prevent animals to that enter our garden. It can be prevented very well by this fencing. See how beautifully it has been done. Okay, and we also prepared a water system for our garden. Okay, that yellow drum we will be preparing the water irrigation system by help of that. See, this is a final pic or a video. See, in these blocks we will be growing the vegetables. Okay, this is safe now for growing of vegetables. Follow our channel for more updates.